I am from Gaugra's Maths Hub. I am going to discuss question number 7 that has been taken from exercise 5.3, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. The question is, find dy over dx of the equation sin square y plus cos xy equal to k. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Today date is 5th March. Now here I shall write solution. Implied that. Here I shall write given that the equation sin square y plus cos xy equal to k. This equation can be written as, imply that I can write sin square sin y का whole square plus cos xy equal to k. Sin square y can be written as sin y का whole square plus cos xy equal to k. Here I shall write differentiating with respect to x. We shall get d over dx sin y का whole square plus d over dx cos xy equal to d over dx k. Here I have written d over dx sin y का whole square. Here you can see in denominator dx is there. Here in center y is there. Means function is in terms of y. X, y, different functions are available here. First of all, sin y will be treated as one unit, and here we shall apply chain rule. By applying chain rule, we shall get, first of all, I shall differentiate sin y raised to power 2. Sin y will be treated as one unit raised to power 2. So by applying the formula d over dx x power n is equal to nx raised to power n minus 1. On basis of that formula, I can write here 2 in bracket sin y will be written. Raised to power 2 minus 1 will be available. Enclose in curly bracket. Thereafter, I shall differentiate the whole function. Here, the whole function is sin y raised to power 2. The whole function sin y raised to power 2 has been differentiated as to in bracket sin y raised to power 2 minus 1. Thereafter, I shall differentiate sin y. Sin y here is in the intrinsic function or inside function. The inside function will be differentiated. You will get here cos y. and here you can see x and y are different function mixed here. Therefore, here I shall write dy over dx. Means, first of all, the whole function sin y raised to power 2 will be differentiated with respect to x. You will get this one. After that, the intrinsic function or the inside function sin y will be differentiated. You will get here cos y. And thereafter, the core function y will be differentiated to with respect to x. You will get here dy over dx. Now, here I shall write plus is there plus, right? And here d over dx cos xy. Cos xy will be differentiated with respect to x. We will get here minus sin xy will get. Thereafter, I shall write d over dx xy. D over dx cos xy. The whole function cos xy will be differentiated with respect to x. We will get here minus sin xy. Thereafter, the core function xy will be differentiated. I have written this one. Equal to d over dx of k. K here is constant. The derivative of constant comes out to be 0. You write here 0. Equal to imply that here I shall write 2 in bracket sin y will be written. Thereafter, cos y will be written. Dy over dx will be written. 2 minus 1 comes out here 1. 2 sin y dot cos y dot dy over dx plus minus sin y I shall write minus sin xy will be written, and derivative of xy with respect to x. Here I shall apply x is one function, y another function. So apply here product rule. So by applying product rule, here first function dot d over dx y it will come plus second function y will come d over dx comes out to here x, curly bracket close equal to 0. Imply that 2 in bracket sin y dot cos y d over dx plus minus sin y will be in bracket. Here you will get x dot d will be conjugated with y comes out to be dy over dx. So here I dy over dx plus I shall write here y. D over dx of x comes out to here 1, curly bracket close equal to 0. This thing will get. Now elaborate this one. Here you will get, here you can see 2 dot sin y dot cos y comes out to here sin 2y. You know the formula sine 2 theta equal to 2 sine theta dot cos theta. In place of theta, if you place here y, it will become sine 2y equal to 2 sine y dot cos y. On basis of, if you put here theta, the 2 sine theta dot cos theta comes out to be sine 2 theta. And here I shall write dy over dx, and here curly bracket will be broken, minus sine y will get entered inside. You will get here minus x dot sine y dot dy over dx, minus sine y will multiply to x dot dy over dx, comes out to be minus x sine y dot dy over dx. Minus will multiply to plus, comes out here minus, and y will multiply to sine y, comes out here y dot sine y equal to 0. This thing you will get. Now what to will do next? Next I shall write, here you can see sine 2y dot dy over dx is the first term, and second term x dot sine y dot dy over dx the second term. Now take a common as dy over dx, you will get in bracket sine 2y minus x dot sine y you will get, and minus y dot sine y is there in left hand side, that will be thrown back to right hand side. It will become y dot sine y, it will become. Now I shall write d over dx equal to, this term will come y dot sine y whole cube over sine 2y minus f dot sine y. This will be the correct answer of question number 7, exercise 5.3. Chapter 5, Continuity and Differentiability, NCERT 12th Mathematics. This is the formula you must remember. Now I shall check the answer from the key point. Just wait for a minute. Let us check the answer. dy over dx equal to y dot sine xy is there. Sine 2y minus x dot sine xy. Sine xy it will come. Some mistakes I have committed. Let us see what mistakes are there. Sine xy there. Here I have left. Here you can see 2 dot sine y dot cos y dy over dx written correct. Here I have left x. So here write x. I have left by mystically. I have left here x. So here xy is there. Right here xy. This thing will be written. Same thing will be written. This one is correct. Now here this one will be 1 minus this x sine xy. This is xy. So put, I have omitted xy. Just correction, minor correction. Xy put here. Minus x and dy. This will become. And here also xy is available. And we'll get here sin 2y, over here xy is available, and here also xy is available. Now we will get here xy, and this term you will get here xy, x dot sin xy. I think it is correct. Let us check the answer once again. dy over dx equal to y dot sin xy whole cube over sin 2y minus x dot sin xy. Now it is correct. Xy can be written as in bracket. Here xy can be written as bracket. Here open curly bracket. So here solution I have given. Given that the equation sin square y plus cos xy equal to k. Sin square y can be written as sin y का whole square plus cos xy equal to k. Differentiating with respect to x. d over dx sin y का whole square plus d over dx cos xy equal to d over dx k. Now the whole function is sin y का whole square. The whole function available here is sin y का whole square. Will be differentiated first with respect to x. You will get here 2 in bracket sin y raised to power 2 minus 1. Thereafter, the intrinsic function sin y will be differentiated with respect to x. You will get here cos y. And thereafter, the core function y will be differentiated with respect to x. You will get here dy over dx plus d over dx dot cos xy. The whole function cos xy will be differentiated with respect to x. We will get here minus sin xy dot, and the core function xy will be differentiated with respect to x. You will get here d over dx x, d over dx xy equal to 0. You will get. Now elaborate the thing. 2 minus 1 comes out here 1. Cos y dy over dx you will get minus sin xy you will get, and here you can see d over dx dot xy. First function is x, second function is y. So here apply product rule. By applying product rule, first function x dot d over dx, second function y plus second function y dot d over dx of first function x. On that basis, 2 sin y dot cos y dot dy over dx plus minus sin xy dot x dot d will be conjugated with y, comes out to be dy over dx plus y d over dx of x comes out here 1 equal to 0. 2 sin y dot cos y comes out to be sin 2y dot dy over dx minus x dot sin xy dot dy over dx minus y dot sin xy comes out to be 0. Now here, this is the first term, this is the second term. Take dy over dx as a common, you get here sin 2y minus x sin xy, bracket close, equal to y dot sin xy. You will get d over dx equal to y dot sin xy whole over sin 2y minus x dot sin xy. This will be the correct answer. The formula will be applied here. Sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta dot cos theta. Here I have applied the product rule, and by applying product rule and chain rule, we have solved question number 7, exercise 5.3. Okay, thanks.